Hello friend, hope you are doing well. So let's start this question. How can we solve this question? Work out 1 2 by 5 divide 3 by 10. Give your answer as a mixed number in simplest form. So we have to just multiply it here. It's a 5 1 ja, and then we have to do plus. So how can you write? We have to write 1 into 5 plus 2 by 5, and then we have a division like 3 by 10. Okay, so how it will be? 5 1 ja 5 plus 2, that will be 7. 7 by 5 we can write, and this will be divided by 3 by 10. Now when you change this sign into multiplication, okay, and now this will be changed, numerator going to denominator and numerator change into denominator. So we can write 10 by 3, and this will be same as it is, that is 7 by 5. So in this way we can divide, and if you cut it by 5 1 ja, this will be 5 2 ja, and this will be not simplified. So 7 into 2, just multiply, it will be 14. So 14 by 3, that's the answer. We can write here 14 by 3. It is a great answer. Okay, I hope understand. If you like, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.